OpenAI's new feature called the ChatGPT is going to make your coding a lot easier. It is a new feature that OpenAI has just released to the general public and it is completely free to use. So to use it, you can head over to the website. In the search bar of your web browser, search for openai.com and you'll land on this website. Now if you scroll down a bit, you can click on ChatGPT. And here you can see the information about ChatGPT, what it is and what it can do. Now if you scroll down again, you can click on try ChatGPT. Now a message box will open up. Now to make your coding easier, you can type in just about anything related to coding. It doesn't matter which programming language that is. So let's say I'm going to type in something like this. You can make it write the code of whatever program that you want to build, and you can hit enter on your keyboard and let it start to write the code. Here it's starting to write the code using Python. If you want, you can also enter in the programming language. Let's say you want to build a chat room not using Python but using JavaScript or any of the frameworks of JavaScript such as React. You can also type in something like write me a code to build a chat room on React.js and it will give you all of the codes that are necessary. But for now it gave me the code of Python, and for some reason you don't understand it or don't like it, you can click on try again and it will give you a new set of code all over again.